Low water pressure in faucets or shower heads is not an uncommon problem. It's one that can be easy to fix. Try these suggestions before you call Bonfe. Sometimes valves get accidentally bumped or turned. Check the valve connected to the slow faucet to make sure it's fully open. If water is slow in the entire house, it may be the main water valve. Check to see that both of these valves are completely open. Faucets can become clogged due to mineral deposits. To clean them, all you do is carefully unscrew the aerator and use a toothbrush to clean out the debris. For more stubborn deposits, use a straight pin to open up any closed holes in the screen. You can also soak the parts in warm white vinegar overnight to remove caked, hard water deposits that can build up within the aerator. This should clear up the problem. However, if after reassembling the aerator the water pressure is still low, this could mean the problem is in the valve cartridge. Replacing the cartridge can be done by the homeowner, but is best left to a pro. Another possibility is that you may have a leak. Even a tiny leak can lead to dramatically low water pressure. To see if you have a leak, shut off every tap, both inside and outside. Read your water meter, wait a few hours, and read it again. If your water usage has gone up, you probably have a leak, and it's time to call Bonfe to solve the problem.